Ever watched the property market swing and felt like you're just spectating on the sidelines? Let's switch that up. Today, you're going to learn how to play it to your advantage. So, what's all this buzz about market risk? Well, it's the ups and downs in market prices that can make your heart skip a beat. But here's a hot tip. While these fluctuations can be a bit of roller coaster, they also open up opportunities to snag a bargain and grow your portfolio. The Aussie property market isn't just one big blob. It's more like a patchwork quilt. Different areas and property types are all moving to their own rhythm. And guess what? When one market is down, another might be up. That's why keeping an eye on this cycle can really pay off. Now, you might be thinking, how do I dodge a downturn? Great question. Diversification is your best defense. Spread your bets, mix it up with different types of properties, different locations, and aimed at different demography. And that's what diversification truly is. And here's a cheeky little strategy. Always aim to buy under market value. Not only does this give you instant equity, but it also provides a cushy little safety net if things go south. Now, before I let you go, remember that the right advice can make all the difference. Turning market risk into opportunity isn't just a dream. It's totally doable. Subscribe, like and comment if you're ready to take control of your investment future. And if you would like to have a one-on-one catch-up with me, feel free to jump on a link www.getrare.com.au/ready. I'll see you there.